So now we're going to discuss this same option, but now a put. So we're still talking about an option on a share of IBM stock with a current price of 200 and a strike price of 200. But now we're talking about a put option on this stock. So a put is the right to sell. So the diagram is the opposite. You are in the money anytime the stock price is less than 200. You're at the money still at 200. So in this case, from the buyer's perspective, being a buyer means is often called being long something. Being a seller is being called short something, or seller is also known as writer. If from the buyer's perspective, you are buying the right to sell at 200. So anytime the stock price is less than 200, you would make a profit because you could buy low and sell high. So you make an economic profit, though, after you've covered your premium that you paid for the right to execute that option. So in this case, the premium is $5. So I paid $5 for the right to sell at 200. So I actually make an economic profit. When does the buyer make a profit? Anytime the stock price is less than $195. How did I get $195? It's my $200 strike price minus my $5 premium. Now over here from the seller or writer's perspective, their maximum profit is $5, and they make that maximum profit anytime the stock price is greater than $200, meaning anytime that the option is not exercised. Their maximum possible loss, now when we talked about this before, we said the maximum possible gains and losses, maximum possible gain for the right buyer of a call option was unlimited, and the maximum possible loss for the writer of a call option was unlimited. Here, the losses are going to be limited because stock prices can never fall. The maximum possible loss is the stock price, right? It can't fall below zero. Right? So it is going to have a bound in there. That's going to be a little bit different because it's the right to sell at 200. Well, it could go higher, right? But stock prices can't go lower than zero. So there you will see a bound. But we still follow the same basic logic that the profits is going to be made when, you're right to to sell at $200, you're not going to execute it if you have the right, if the stock price is, $210 and you have the right to sell at 200, then I would be out $10 plus the additional $5 that I paid for my premium.